Welcome, fellow. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to create a full blog using PHP in Apache. We will go through several steps. Create the front end using SPCK Editor. Write a script to connect PHP to MariaDB. Use phpMyAdmin to create and manage your database. Use Apache Virtual Host as a web server for your blog. If you're ready, let's dive in. Step 1. Build the PHP project and front end. Create a directory for your project. Directory project. Go to this directory, cdef project. Then create a PHP file, vimindex.php. Use this app, SPCK Editor, to create the front-end, HTML and CSS code. It's available on Play Store. We've got a header and a card section for our posts. Then add a little style with CSS. Once finished, copy their content and paste it into Vim. Vim is a text editor. To download it, type pkg install Vim. Step 2. Let's see how to connect PHP to MariaDB. Now reopen the index.php and type this PHP code. This PHP script connect PHP to MariaDB. If there is an error, we interrupt the program. Here we pulls all the articles. Then, with a while loop, we can build cards using HTML with these articles. Once finished, type WQ to exit. Step 3. Configure MariaDB and phpMyAdmin. We told PHP to connect to a certain database, but this database doesn't exist. Let's create it. Start the database engine, MariaDB, and we have already created a virtual host for phpMyAdmin with Apache in the part 3. Go watch it. Start Apache, so type apache start. Now open your browser, go to Login, then follow carefully create a database named blog. Now create a table named article with 3 columns. ID, title, and intro. Now insert some dummy data manually. We'll display it soon. We inserted 2 articles. Set up a virtual host for your project. Before dive into virtual host, let's see how your blog is looking with PHP build and server. Return to Termux, type this command. This will start a server. Go back to your browser, open another session. Go to For me, everything is working fine. Anyway, this video is about to teach you Apache, so let's see how to do it with Apache. Go to Apache Extra Configuration folder. Here, I copy content starting from line 25 to 31 to the line 33 with this powerful Vim command. Then, change the route to the path of your project. Then change the server name to 127.0.0.7. We finished, but one problem left. Now go back to the main config, modify the Apache config, go to line 276. Update line 279. Type WQ to write change and quit. This tells Apache, if there's any index.html file, use the index.php file. Start Apache. Now run, Apache will start. Go to your browser and open http://127.0.0.7:8080. Great, it's working. Got the page works and your articles are live. You did it. By the way, make sure to subscribe to don't miss any future video.